Welcome to Music with Mrs. Avery. Today we're going to learn how to hold the recorder. So let's learn its parts. We have the mouthpiece, the body, and the bell. So we have the mouthpiece, the body, and the bell. We will blow through the mouthpiece. The sound waves will travel through the tube of the body and out the bell. So, take your left hand and repeat after me. Left hand on top. Say it again. Left hand on top. Excellent. So give me a thumbs up with that left hand. That's right. When we hold the recorder, we are going to have our left hand on top. So now take your thumb, okay? And if you look, using the very back part of your thumb behind your nail, not the tip, but the back part of your thumb. On the back of your recorder, there is a single hole, and you're going to take your left thumb and you are going to place it over that hole so that your thumb is completely covering that hole and no air can escape, so you're going to have to press a little hard. Then you're going to take the next 3 fingers of your left hand, and those fingers will cover the top 3 holes on the front of your recorder. 1, 2, 3. Now, if you leave your thumb there in the back over that back thumb hole, you should be able to move your fingers on and off the holes without the recorder falling. You could even do it without using your right hand. See that? So let's review that. Left hand on top. Give me a thumbs up. You're going to take your thumb, part of that skin behind your thumb. If you look, you can see the little indentation of that hole. That means you are pressing hard enough. That's what we want to see when you're playing recorders. You're going to take your thumb, you're going to put it on that back hole, that single hole. Then you're going to use your next 3 fingers to cover the first 3 holes on the front of the recorder. Now for our very first few notes that we're going to learn, we're not even going to need our right hand. So you can take your thumb and your pointer finger, I call these crab pinchers, and you can gently hold the bottom of the bell just to give your recorder some support when you are playing. But when we start to use our right hand, we will place our thumb behind the recorder. Some of you might have a little piece of plastic here, so your thumb would sit underneath of that piece of plastic, and then your next 3 fingers will cover the next 3 holes. 1, 2, 3. Now we'll probably not use our pinky this year, but there is another hole at the bottom of your recorder for your right hand pinky. So if you look, the only finger that is not really being used is your left pinky, and that's okay. He's just going to sit there. Okay, so remember, left hand on top. And if you need to review how to hold your recorder, I want you to come back to this video and practice. Great job.